Manufacturers are facing three big challenges: flexibility, productivity, and continuous improvement. What if one solution can solve all three? With Stäubli robotics tool changers, one robot can perform multiple tasks: material handling, inspection, deburring, by automatically switching in the off-arm tools without stopping the line. So Marcus, what are the three key features on the tool changer?
So it's a zero backlash unit for millions of docking cycles, outstanding repeatability for precision, and then also like our tool changers cover like every standard bolt pattern for robots.
But how one robot do all that without manual tool changings? Let's take a closer look.
So here you can see this is the robot side that mates to this tool side over here. We would go over it real quick. So here you can see a different variety of modules. This is like electrical modules. This is for servo power, for instance. This is an electrical module for signals. These two here are for compressed air, and this is a tool hanger that usually like goes into like the tool whenever it's like not in use.
So about these ones here, could you tell me a little bit more?
The version that you see over here is an MPS 260. That's like a 350 kilogram payload unit, typically used in the automotive body shop.
And what makes different from the other competitors?
I think if you touch base on the safety aspect one more time, the way that we do safety is called a version that we call active docking. What's special about it? So the unlock air is actually provided as an individual circuit, meaning that there's no way of physically unlocking the tool when it's not in a safe position. So you have like built-in safety like every time that you dock. Another feature is, if you look at the tool changer, obviously the round design, which allows you to enhance an application later down the road, maybe if the application requirements change whatsoever. But it's easy to like add and remove modules. You increase like your flexibility, obviously, by utilizing your robot at 100%.
With a robotics tool changer, it all happens in seconds. No downtime, no manual work, no mistakes. If you are building the factory of the future, make sure it's powered by smart solutions like this from Stäubli.